Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Shri Radha Govind Bhagwan ki jai. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
वासुदेवाय
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
ओम भगवते वासुदेवाय
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
ओम वासुदेवाय
Narayanam Namaskritya
नारायणं नमस्ते
Naram Chaiva Narottamam
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
Devim Saraswatim Vyasam
सरस्वती
Tato
व्यासं
Jayamudiraye
ततो जयमुदीरयेत्
Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu
नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु
Nityam Bhagavad Sevaya
नित्यं
भगवते
भागवत
Bhagavati
सेवया
Uttama Shloke
भगवते उत्तमश्लोके
Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtaki.
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी
Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 4, Chapter 30, Verse 18. Atha Maya Annapayanya Atha Maya Annapayanya
अथमय्या पायया
Bhaktya Pakva Gunashayah
भक्त्या गुणाशयः
Bhaktya Pakva Gunashayah
भक्त्या गुणाशयः
Tubhyasyatha Madhama
उपयाश्रयधामधामा
Upyasyatha Madhama
उपयाश्रयधामधामा
Vidya Nirayad Ataha
निर्विद्यानिरयादतः
Vidya Nirayad Ataha Amaya Anapayanya Vagunashayah
भक्त्या गुणाशयः
Yata Madhama
उपयामधामा
Nirvedha Nirayadataha
निर्विद्यानिर्यातः
Amaya Anapayanya
अथामय्यनपायन्य
Vagunashayah
भक्त्या गुणाशयः
Ama
उपयामधामा
Nirvedha Nirayadataha
निर्विद्यानिर्यातः
Atamaya Anapayanya Bhaktya Pakva Gunashayah Upyasyata Madhama Nirvedya Nirayadataha Atamaya Anapayanya Bhaktya Pakva Gunashayah Upayasyata Madhama Nirvedya Nirayadataha Atamaya Nanapayanya Bhaktya Pakva Gunashayah Upayasyata Madhama Nirvidya Nirayadataha Atamaya Anapayanya Bhaktya Pakva Gunashayah Upyasyata Madhama Nirvidya Nirayadataha Atamaya Anapayanya Bhaktya Pakva Gunashayah Upyasyata Madhama निर्वेद्य निर्यादतः. Devotees online.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे
अथ
कृष्ण
मय्य
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। अथा मय्यानपायिन्या भक्त्या पक्वा गुणाशयाः उपयास्यस्तमद्धामा निर्विद्या निरयादतः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण
हरे
प्रभु जी।
कृष्णा प्रभु।
अथ
अथ मय्यन
मय्यानपायेन भक्त्या पक्वगुणाशया उपयायश्चमद्धामा निर्विगा निर्यादत। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी। अथ मय्यानपायिन्या भक्त्या गुणाशयः उपयास्यातमत्थामा निर्विद्या निरयत् अथा।
हरे
हरे
कृष्णा प्रभु जी। अथ
हरे कृष्ण
मय्यन
प्रभु जी।
पायिन्या भक्त्या पक्वगुणाशया उपयायस्तमत्तामा निर्विघ्न निर्यादतः.
हरे
हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण।
प्रभु मय्यन् पायिन्या भक्ताय पक्वगुणाक्षयः उपास्तय्यतं मद्दां निर्भीता निरायदात्. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
प्रभु जी।
अथा
अथ
मय्यान् पायेन
मय्यानपायेन
भक्ता पक्का
भक्त्या
गुणाशयाः
पक्वगुणाशयः
उपायत्तात
उपयास्यतमत्तामा
मध्यमा
निर्विद्या
निर्विद्या
निर्याततः।
निरयादतः। हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। अथ मया अनुपायिन्य भक्त्या पक्या गुणाश्रयः उपयस्थस्य मध्यम निर्विद्य निरयागतः।
हरे कृष्ण
हरे
प्रभु जी।
कृष्ण प्रभु जी। अथा मय्या अनपायन्या भक्त्या पक्वा गुणाश्रयतः उपयासता मदधामा निर्विद्या निर्यात अतः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु प्रणाम। अत मय्या अनापायिन्या भक्त्या पक्वा गुणाशया उपायास्यातमद्धामा निर्विद्या निर्याततः।
Thank you, everyone. We'll go for synonyms now. Atha, therefore, my, unto me, anapainya, without any deviation, bhaktya, by devotional service, pakva guna, free from material contamination, ashayaha, your mind, upayasyata, you will attain, matdhama, my abode, nirvidya, being completely detached, nirayat, from material existence, ataha, thus. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Thereafter you will develop unadulterated devotional service unto me and be freed from all material contamination. At that time, being completely unattached to material enjoyment in the so-called heavenly planets as well as in hellish planets, you will return home back to Godhead. Kindly repeat. Thereafter, you will develop unadulterated devotional service unto me and be freed from all material contamination. At that time, being completely unattached to material enjoyment in the so-called heavenly planets as well as in hellish planets, you will return home back to Godhead. Yes, purport. Mataji, please read.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada ki Jai. By the grace of the Lord, the Prachetas were given special facilities. Although they could live millions of years to enjoy material facilities, they still would not be deviated from the transcendental loving service of the Lord. Being thus fully engaged, the Prachetas would be completely freed from all material attachment. Material attachment is very strong. During one lifetime, a materialist engages in acquiring land, money, friends, society, friendship, love, and so on. He also wants to enjoy the heavenly planets after the annihilation of the body. If one is engaged in devotional service, however, he becomes unattached to all kinds of material enjoyment and suffering. In the material world, those who are elevated to the higher planetary systems are supposed to enjoy all material facilities, whereas those degraded to lower planetary systems are supposed to live in a hellish condition. A devotee, however, is transcendental to both heavenly and hellish conditions. According to Bhagavad Gita 14.26, a devotee's position is described in this way. Mam cha yo avibhicharena bhakti yogena sevate sagunan samatitaitan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. One who engages in devotional service, full devotional service, who does not fall down in any circumstance, at once transcends the modes of material nature and then comes to the level of Brahman. A devotee is always situated on the Brahman platform. He has nothing to do with material happiness or distress. When one is strongly fixed in devotional service and free from all material attachment, uncontaminated by the modes of nature, he becomes fit to return home back to Godhead. Although by special blessing, the Prachetas would enjoy material facilities for millions of years, they would not be attached to them. Thus, at the end of their material enjoyment, they would be promoted to the spiritual world and return to Godhead. The word Pakva Gunashayaha has special significance, for it means that by devotional service, one is able to give up the influence of the three modes of material nature. As long as one is influenced by the modes of material nature, he cannot return to Godhead. It is clearly explained that all planets in the material world, beginning from Brahmaloka down to hellish planets, are unfit places for a devotee. Padam padam yat vipadam na tesham. A place where there is danger at every step is certainly not a comfortable place. The Lord therefore says in Bhagavad Gita 8.16, Abrahma bhuvanalokaha punar avartinojuna mam upetya tu kaunteya punar janmana vidyate. From the highest planet in the material world down to the lowest, all are places of misery, wherein repeated birth and death take place. But one who attains to my abode, O son of Kunti, never takes birth again. Thus, there is no profit even if one is promoted to the highest planet in the material universe, Brahmaloka. However, if one is somehow or other promoted to the abode of the Lord, he never returns to the material world. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Mataji. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana-shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Utpadakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavansha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagan Raghunathan Vitantam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sagan Lalita Shri Vishakhan Vitansha Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaye Shunyavadi Paschat Deshatarine वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुव एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते तप्त काञ्चन गौरांगी श्रीराधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये जय हो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवसादि गौर भक्त वृंदा नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरतशे नमः हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे अता मय्या अनपायिन्या भक्त्या पक्वा गुणाशयः
भक्त्या पक्वगुणाशय
कुप्यास्य अत मदधामा निर्वेद्य निर्यादतः
निर्वेद्य निर्यादत.
Thereafter you will develop unadulterated devotional service unto me and be freed from all material contamination. At that time, being completely unattached to material enjoyment in the so-called heavenly planets as well as in hellish planets, you will return home back to Godhead. So we have seen about the Prachetas. Prachetas are the sons of Prachin Barihi, 10 of them. How Lord Shiva guided them, taught them Rudra Gita, the prayers by Lord Shiva for Lord Vishnu. And being so guided, the Prachetas went under the sea for 10,000 years. And they were repeating the prayers of Lord Shiva. Vaishnavanam Yatha Shambhu, highest Vaishnava. And they could ultimately please Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu appeared face to face and said, I am very pleased with you. Please ask me what benedictions you want. जब विष्णु जी बहुत प्रसन्न हो गए प्रचेत से, तो उनको बोले कि आपको क्या चाहिए मांगिए. बट डिड प्रचेतास एवर आस्क? क्या प्रचेता ने मांगा कभी? माता जी मांगा? हाँ, माता जी को नहीं पता है. हाँ, मांगा क्या?
Prabhu's voice is very low, Prabhu.
No, did Prachetas ask anything till now?
The voice is very low, Prabhu. Can't hear. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji, your voice is very low.
Very low.
We can hear the devotees asking questions,
Yes.
but yours is very feeble.
Okay. Hare Krishna.
Yes, now it's good.
Okay, fine. I'll try to speak a bit loudly. The question is, okay, did you hear that Lord Vishnu got pleased and appeared face to face with the Prachetas and told the Prachetas, मांगिए क्या मांगना है? Question is, did the Prachetas ever ask Lord Vishnu what they want?
No.
क्या उन्होंने मांगा?
No.
अभी तक तो नहीं मांगा.
No, they didn't.
Very nice. So till now they have not asked, but Lord Vishnu is giving. Without asking, he is giving. He is not asked. They have not asked, but he is still giving. And the benediction that Lord Vishnu is giving now, जो आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं, जो वरदान उनको दे रहे हैं, क्या आप 10 लाख सालों तक इस ग्रह में और ऊपर के स्वर्गीय ग्रह में नौजवान बन के खूब ज्यादा इंद्र तृप्ति करेंगे. Correct? See, last shloka, if you see, that is the benediction they got. The benediction is, my dear princess. Princess does not mean lady. Princess means 10 prince are called princess. It's not CESS, it is CES. My dear princess, by my mercy you can enjoy all the facilities of this world. This world means earth, as well as the heavenly world. Heavenly world means Swarga. Indeed, you can enjoy all of them without hindrance and with full strength. Full strength means नौजवान रहेंगे. बूढ़ा लोग एंजॉय नहीं कर सकता है ना. मैं एक उदाहरण फिर से रिपीट करूंगा एक बूढ़े का जो एंजॉय करने की कोशिश हुआ और क्या हुआ उसका. फॉर 1 मिलियन सेलेस्टियल ईयर्स, 1 मिलियन मतलब 10 लाख सालों तक आप नौजवान बन के इस पृथ्वी पे और स्वर्गीय ग्रहों में अपनी इंद्र तृप्ति करें. ये भगवान का जो आशीर्वाद है थोड़ा मन में खटक रहा है ना, क्योंकि somebody is doing devotional service by repeating the prayers of Lord Shiva for 10,000 years, and the benediction without asking he is getting is अपने इंद्र तृप्ति करिए 10,000 सालों 10 लाख सालों तक. ये क्या आशीर्वाद मिल गया. हम when we do our devotional service, जब हम भक्ति करते हैं तो हम क्या अपने इंद्र तृप्ति के लिए भगवान से आशीर्वाद चाहते हैं क्या? नहीं चाहते. नहीं चाहते हैं, नहीं चाहते हैं. पर भगवान ने आशीर्वाद दे दिया. अभी तक प्रचेता ने मांगा नहीं है. और अगले श्लोक में नेक्स्ट श्लोक भगवान इज सेइंग thereafter, उसके बाद, you will develop unadulterated devotional service. Very important for us to understand. भगवान कह रहे उसके बाद आप शुद्ध भक्तिमय सेवा को प्राप्त होंगे. इसका अर्थ क्या है? क्या इसका अर्थ यह है कि अभी प्रचेता शुद्ध भक्त नहीं है? कैसे? No, but Vishnu is saying thereafter you will develop unadulterated devotional service. Thereafter मतलब उसके बाद, यानी जब 10 लाख सालों तक you will do your sense enjoyment, after that you will develop unadulterated devotional service. So the question that arises is, are the prachetas not now pure devotee of the Lord? Because Lord Vishnu goes on to say, and be freed from material contamination. आप उसके बाद 10 लाख सालों के बाद आप भौतिक कल्मश से मुक्ति प्राप्त करेंगे. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि आज वो भौतिक कल्मशों से लिप्त हैं. करेक्ट? क्लियर नहीं है ना? प्रश्न तो उठ रहा है. इसीलिए भगवान कह रहे हैं थोड़ा एंजॉय कर लो. थोड़ा मतलब 10 लाख सालों तक, फिर आपको अपनी शुद्ध भक्ति देंगे. एट दैट टाइम का मतलब कब, किस समय की बात हो रही है? आफ्टर 1 मिलियन ईयर. उस समय बीइंग कंप्लीटली अनअटैच्ड टू मटेरियल एंजॉयमेंट, उस समय तुम भौतिक इंद्र तृप्ति से पूरी तरीके से अनासक्त हो जाओगे. मतलब आज आसक्ति है, और फिर मैं तुम्हें घर वापसी बुलाऊंगा. रिटर्न होम, बैक टू गॉड हेड. वेरी वेरी डाइसी सिचुएशन. जिसको भगवान विष्णु साक्षात फेस टू फेस दर्शन दे रहे हैं, उसको कह रहे हैं जाओ 10 लाख सालों तक इंद्र तृप्ति करो, उसके बाद तुम भौतिक कल्मशों से दूर हो जाओगे. तो अरे भौतिक कल्मश से दूर हुए बिना भगवान दर्शन दे सकते हैं क्या? हम तो यही सीख रहे हैं कि जिस दिन हम भौतिक कल्मशों से दूर हो जाएंगे, हमारे भगवान हमें दर्शन दे देंगे. तो दिस क्वेश्चन इज नाउ ओपन टू ऑल फॉर योर व्यूज. व्हाट डू यू थिंक द प्रचेतास आर नाउ under material contamination, and after enjoying for 1 million year they will become free from material contamination? Is that the understanding? Yes or no?
No.
Yes.
No.
You have to explain. Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji. Can I?
Yes, Prabhuji.
I will make an attempt. However, I may be wrong also, but just I'll give my review. See, God has given this, I think this is very tricky situation when God has given this kind of benediction. Now, I think this means, to my understanding, that God has given them options, but it is for prachetas to choose. Now, like what we are in the marginal, I think all jivas, they are in the marginal, and we are the marginal energy of the God. So either we select God or we select material energy. It depends on us, and accordingly we will get the devotional service. So I think same options are given to prachetas, and now it is up to them whether to accept or to reject it. I think I understand that way.
Where is the option given? Krishna or Vishnu is giving a statement. Thereafter you will develop unadulterated devotional service. Go and enjoy for a minute. See, option was given to Arjuna when Krishna said, do what you want to do. That is the option. This is not an option. This is, you will do this. You will enjoy for 1 million year. Thereafter you will develop unadulterated devotional service. He's not saying like he said to Arjuna in the field. अर्जुन को भगवान ने क्या कहा था कि जैसा इच्छा वैसा करो, यानी अब ऑप्शन दे दिया है, आपको जो मन वो करो. तो अर्जुन ने क्या कहा था? करिष्ये वचनम तव. आपने जैसा कहा है मैं वैसा करूंगा. अर्जुन एक्सरसाइज्ड ऑप्शन. बट यहाँ पे प्रचेतास को कोई ऑप्शन नहीं मिला है. भगवान ने ये थोड़ी कहा है कि प्रचेतास मैं आपसे बहुत प्रसन्न हूं, आप जैसा चाहें आप करें, आपको मैं स्वर्ग में डाल दूं या मैं आपको अपने धाम लेके चलूं. ऐसा नहीं बोला. बोला अब आप जाइए और 10 लाख सालों तक आप एंजॉय करिए. ऑप्शन नहीं है. ऑप्शन थोड़ी है.
But it could also mean that Prabhuji, Prachetas might have left with some of the desires in their earlier birth or whatever.
ओके अंडरस्टूड. सो प्रभु जी का उत्तर है हाँ प्रचेता. श्री श्री राधा गोविंद भगवान की जय, श्री श्री गौरनिताई की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की, कि हाँ प्रचेतास के अंदर अभी भी भौतिक इच्छाएं बची हैं. ये प्रभु जी का उत्तर है. सही है कि गलत वो हम बाद में देखेंगे.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
वन मोमेंट माता जी. तो इसका मतलब ये निकल रहा है एज एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सी इट्स अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन एंड द ग्रुप हैज टू कम टू अ कंक्लूजन. द ग्रुप नाउ इज सेइंग कि भगवान के दर्शन भौतिक इच्छा के साथ भी हो सकते हैं. यानी अगर मेरे अंदर अभी भी भौतिक इच्छा प्राप्त नहीं मौजूद है, तो फिर भी भगवान मुझे फेस टू फेस दर्शन दे रहे हैं और मेरे अंदर अभी भी भौतिक इच्छा खत्म नहीं हुई है. इसलिए भगवान मेरे मन को पढ़ लेते हैं और कहते हैं जाओ 10 लाख सालों तक एंजॉय करो. ये अभी तक निकल के आ रहा है प्रभु जी के उत्तर से. ठीक है माता जी. हरे कृष्णा.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. सादर प्रणाम.
Yes.
Prabhuji, what I'm feeling like, we cannot understand the plan of the God. So Krishna is so merciful that he is not just seeing the devotees, like he also want the conditioned souls to come back. So sometimes he want a good governance in the material world. So he chooses his devotees as an instrument. Just like even Dhruv Maharaj, like after realization, he said like you have to rule for 35,000 years. And even for Kardama Muni, Lord instructed you have to marry to Devahuti.
थैंक यू माता जी. सरिता माता जी.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु.
वन मिनट माता जी. सरिता माता जी का जवाब सुनिए. बहुत ही बुद्धिमान उत्तर दिया उन्होंने. उन्होंने कहा है कि ये भगवान की इच्छा है. जैसे ध्रुव महाराज जब तपस्या कर लेते हैं, तपस्या करते हैं तो उनके हृदय में कुछ इच्छा रहती है, पर जैसे भगवान प्रकट होते हैं और अपने शंख को उनके सिर पर रखते हैं, व्हाट इज ध्रुव महाराज सेइंग? I was doing all this for broken pieces of glass. Now I don't need anything. But still Vishnu tells him, you rule for thousands of years. तो माता जी का उत्तर है भगवान अच्छा गवर्नेंस चाहते हैं. भगवान चाहते हैं कि भक्तों के द्वारा ही प्रजा पे शासन किया जाए. इसीलिए वो कह रहे हैं कि जाओ 10 लाख सालों तक एंजॉय करो. ये माता जी का उत्तर है. अच्छा उत्तर है ना. तो दो अलग अलग व्यूज निकल के आ गए हैं. हम रोज देखिए 130-140 लोग सब एक ही श्लोक पढ़ रहे हैं, पर दो अलग अलग अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई है. अभी एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि प्रचेता के मन में अभी कुछ ख्वाहिशें बाकी हैं, और एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई है कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, भगवान अपने भक्तों द्वारा शासन करना चाहते हैं. एंड दैट इज द रीजन भगवान ने कहा 10 lakh years you go and enjoy. 1 minute Mataji will take one answer of Mataji here at the temple. Yes Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
1 moment साधना माताजी, just minute. मंदिर में एक भक्त का हम उत्तर लेते हैं पहले. ओके माताजी कह रहे हैं okay, so Mataji is saying that while Vishnu allowed them to enjoy for 1 million years, at the same time also gave instruction that you develop unadulterated devotional service. But Mataji, the answer to that is Krishna is saying thereafter, uske baad. He's not saying during the course you develop. Okay? हाँ ठीक है. Okay, yes Sadhana Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी. धन्यवाद प्रणाम. By this, Prabhuji, my understanding is that probably Bhagwan wants to set an example that by being in the material world, you can be amidst all these Vaibhav, but still you are not attached to it. So by doing this, the devotee sets an example that here in the material world also, I am not getting attached to anything, and he continues to live for millions of years, and the other devotees take him as an example.
Very
so
nice.
This is probably
साधना माता जी रियलाइजेशन इज, ऐसा करके भगवान एक उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करना चाहते हैं कि भक्त सब कुछ के बीच में मौजूद रहते हुए भी भक्ति भाव से रह सकते हैं, उसमें लिप्त नहीं हो सकते. जैसे कमल का फूल जल में रह के भी जल उसको स्पर्श नहीं कर सकता है. तो ये उदाहरण भगवान देना चाह रहे हैं. वांट्स टू गिव एन एग्जांपल थ्रू द प्रचेतास दैट They are pure devotees of the Lord, and in spite of remaining in this world or in the heavenly planets and enjoying for 10 lakh years, they still remain unattached to it and continue their devotional service. Very nice. Yes, Vipin Vilas Prabhu, you want to answer something? Okay.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु, मोस्टली सब माता जी ने सब बता दिया, बट मेरा थोड़ा ऐड करना है कि जो भी अपने कर्मज है, या तो पायस कर एक्टिविटीज है या वो है, जब तक वो नलीफाई नहीं हो जाता है तब तक वी कैन नॉट गो टू द एकदम शुद्ध सत्व एंड कृष्णा कॉन्शियस.
Which means you are trying to say Prachetas still have some
पॉजिटिव
desires left. See,
प्रीवियस डिजायर्स अभी तो शायद जैसे ध्रुव महाराज का माता जी ने एग्जांपल दिया उसके साथ भी कोरिलेट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जब तक उनकी पहले हो सकती है, उनकी पास्ट डिजायर भी हो सकती है, दैट अप टू जब तक वो नलीफाई नहीं होती है, जीरो नहीं होती है बैलेंस, तब तक दे कैन नॉट गेट अ प्योर डिवोशनल्स. दिस वन.
ओके. प्रभु जी कह रहे हैं अभी भी उनकी इच्छा बाकी है, पुरानी इच्छा, इसीलिए उनको एंजॉय करना है. सुप्रीति माता जी, यू वांट टू आंसर?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, the whole purpose of Prachetas coming to do tapas or austerity is that their father said to go to do some austerity and come back and become a good ruler and become a king. So the whole purpose was to become a king. So the Lord understands the purpose for them coming to austerity is to become a good ruler. So he gave the benediction of becoming a good ruler. After that, he is also promising that he is giving devotional service also.
Wow. See, intelligence is overflowing in this forum. Mataji saying कि प्रचेता गए क्यों, हम भूल गए. प्रचेता इसलिए गए क्योंकि उनके पिताजी ने कहा जाओ तपस्या करो और बच्चे पैदा करो. तो क्या बैकुंठ में जाके बच्चे पैदा करेंगे? बच्चे तो इधर पैदा करना है ना, 3 लोक में. इसीलिए भगवान ने कहा अभी तुम 10 लाख साल तक रहो. अभी थोड़े श्लोकों पहले ही देखा ना, विश्रुत नामक पुत्र उत्पन्न होगा. तो इसीलिए भगवान चाहते हैं वो रहें. वेरी नाइस, वेरी इंटेलिजेंट आंसर. ओके, गीता माता जी, वांट टू से एनीथिंग? ओके, सो आई थिंक
हरे कृष्णा.
यस माता जी.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है प्रचेता, बिकॉज वी हैव कम टू दिस वर्ल्ड एज पर आवर ओन विष्णा. दैट्स व्हाई we came to this material world. As and when we get birth, we are indulged in that पृथ्वी के इसमें हम ही हो जाएंगे.
ठीक है. सो माता जी का, हाँ ठीक है, आप समझ गए. आपका यही कहना है कि हमारी इच्छाएं अभी बाकी हैं, प्रचेताओं की इच्छा बाकी है. अब देखिए, टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट विल डू, विल गो टू द प्रीवियस श्लोका फर्स्ट and read the last line what Prabhupada is saying. This special facility was given to the Prachetas so that they could continue rendering full devotional service. ये आराम, ये स्पेशल आराम, ये स्पेशल फैसिलिटी उनको इसलिए मिली जिससे प्रचेता अपने पूर्णता, अपने शुद्ध भक्ति सेवा को जारी रख सकें. जारी रख सके का मतलब है they were already pure devotees. It is not said so that they can become pure devotees. It is not said like that. It is said they can continue rendering pure devotional service, full devotional service, which means there is no doubt that Prachetas are pure devotees of the Lord. So those who have said that there is some desire in the heart of the Prachetas and they want to fulfill, it is not correct. Unless we have purity in the heart, Krishna will not appear before us. Immediately seeing Vishnu, Dhruva Maharaj said, what have I done? I wasted my time by having desires to rule. And said, I don't want anything. Dhruva Maharaj said, I don't want anything. Prachetas never asked. Remember, Prachetas ने मांगा नहीं है, Prachetas को दे रहे हैं भगवान. Okay, next what we will do, we will go for complete answer to one more verse, verse number 21, and then we will conclude the discussion. One moment. This same sequence, verse number 21, what is Prabhupada saying? In the, not Prabhupada, the translation of the verse itself. Maitreya is saying, let's read the full. The great sage Maitreya said, after the personality of God had spoke thus, the prachetas began to offer him prayers. जब ऐसा बोल दिया भगवान ने, प्रचेता ने प्रार्थना शुरू करी. बहुत अच्छी प्रार्थना है जो हम देखेंगे आगे की क्लासों में. The Lord is the bestower of all success in life and is a supreme benefactor. He is also the supreme friend who takes away all miserable conditions experienced by a devotee. In a faltering voice, due to ecstasy. See, these are all symptoms of a pure devotee. The prachetas began to offer. They were purified by the presence of the Lord who was before them face to face. Prachetas were already purified. Immediately, जैसे भगवान हमारे सामने आते हैं, इमीडिएट सारे कंटामिनेशन खत्म हो जाते हैं. ये मत सोचिए कि कुछ आपकी इच्छा बाकी रह गई, इसलिए भगवान कह रहे हैं जाओ 10 लाख सालों तक स्वर्ग में मजे करो. सॉरी, दैट इज नॉट द राइट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. एंड नाउ वी विल रीड द purport. Prabhupada is saying, because the Lord appeared before them, naturally all the contaminations, the rajas and tamas are gone. Yeah, we'll see that. Where is it written? Yes. Because the Lord appeared before them, naturally all the contaminations of the material qualities of rajas and tamas completely disappeared. So ये जो rajas, see, अपने आप को enjoy करना is रजोगुण. But Prabhupada has made it very clear, जैसे ही भगवान उनके सामने प्रकट हुए, अपने आप उनकी सारी भौतिक कलमस, रजोगुण तमोगुण सब खत्म हो गया. तो ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग सही नहीं है कि उनके मन में इच्छा रह गई. ध्रुव महाराज का बहुत सुंदर उदाहरण दिया. तो यानी अब चर्चा क्या है कि ये जो वरदान मिल रहा है, जो बेनेडिक्शन मिल रहा है, इसका मापदंड क्या है? व्हाट इज द यार्ड स्टिक? whom Krishna gives such benediction? What do you think? Who is eligible to get such benediction? When will Krishna decide or Vishnu decide that okay, this is the right person to give benediction of enjoying in earth or in the heavenly planets? What do you think is the patrata, is the yardstick, is the qualification for a person to get such benediction?
No devotional service.
Those Krishna, those according to Krishna.
One by
Who
one.
will
see,
not,
one
only
by
a
one.
pure devotee who will not go hayway, who will not get attached to the material wealth.
Pure devotee who will not get attached to the material opulence he will get. Very good. Prabhuji here is saying austerity is the qualification to get such benediction. Okay. Next. What else?
Prabhuji, those who are sincere and submissive, because they understand whatever the Lord is going to say. Like, for example, if the Lord will ask them to stay in the palace, they would stay. And if they have to go to the forest, they would go to the forest also. They will always remain unattached.
Those who are sincere and those who are unattached, and whatever Krishna orders them, they will do, whether Krishna wants them to remain here, whether Krishna wants them to remain in the palace, in the hell, or in heavenly planets. Those sort of person who are unattached. Very nice. What else?
Prabhuji, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Prabhuji.
they got mercy of Rudra, so they already got a mercy of the pure devotee. So Krishna is, it's easier to get to Krishna through his pure devotee. So they already had got the mercy.
Mataji, you are not very audible, but what I could understand, you are saying the devotees of Krishna, all the devotees of Krishna. Okay. Deen Ashraya Prabhu, you want to say anything?
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare
Yes.
Krishna, Prabhuji.
1 minute. Deen Ashraya Prabhu, after that Mukesh Prabhu. Yes, Deen Ashraya.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, I meant they already got the mercy of Rudra. So it's easy to get to Krishna through a pure devotee. So Krishna was, easily accessible to them.
Oh,
Because-
so Mataji is saying the person who already got the Ashirvad of a pure devotee is now qualified to get such a benediction. Okay, fine. Yes, Deen Ashraya Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Dandavat Pranam. Those devotees who are totally materially exhausted and totally dependent on Lord and are helpless. Lord loves those, like in the case of Kunti Maharani. She was very helpless and dependent on Lord Krishna only. So the Lord is very kind and full of benedictions for such devotees who are helpless.
But Prabhuji, okay, first I will explain your answer, then I will ask you a question. Prabhuji is saying, जो पूरी तरीके से ऐशो आराम जिसके पास है नहीं, मटीरियली एग्जॉस्टेड, पूरी तरीके से हेल्पलेस हैं कि भगवान कुछ करिए, जैसा उन्होंने उदाहरण दिया कुंती महारानी का, पूरी तरीके से हेल्पलेस. बट प्रचेतास जो हैं, दे वर नॉट मटेरियली एग्जॉस्टेड. दे आर सन्स ऑफ किंग प्राचीन बरही.
Yes, Prabhuji. But it is in different concept.
Different?
I'm talking about that Lord is most merciful to those who are helpless and totally dependent on Him only,
Totally
without any
dependent on
material.
him.
So this is a different
Okay.
aspect.
So Prabhuji
Yes,
is saying the one who is totally
Morning.
surrendered to Krishna is eligible to get such a benediction.
चलिए,
One more
हाथ में लग
answer.
गया क्या?
Hare Krishna,
Shiva.
Prabhuji.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, Prabhu.
Prabhuji, can
After
I
Mukesh
say?
Prabhu will hear Biju Prabhu. Yes, Mukesh Prabhu.
Yeah.
Morning.
Prabhuji, the devotees, pure devotees whose bona fides are already proved actually, or they or the bona fides God think it could be proved after his appearance, because all the material contamination gets destroyed after God appears. So either
Thank
of
you.
these two cases.
तो प्रभु जी saying कि जिसके CV ऑलरेडी पास कर दिए, मतलब बोनाफाइड्स आर ऑलरेडी प्रूवन, ये प्योर डिवोटी है, इसमें कोई कलमश नहीं है, इसमें ISI का स्टैंप लगा दिया है, इसको हम ये आशीर्वाद दे सकते हैं. थैंक यू. बीजू प्रभु. Biju Prabhu, you
Sorry,
want to add
sorry. No, no. It was my
Thank you.
mistake. Yeah,
Okay,
thank
I
you. Hare
think
Krishna.
what we will do, very nice. Now, to get an answer to it in the words of a pure devotee, let's go to the next verse's purport. Okay, we will not read the next purport or next verse, but we'll just take a portion of the purport. We'll keep the next purport for tomorrow. See, the last paragraph of the next verse. What is Prabhupada saying? Mataji, please read.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. If one is placed in material opulence due to the special mercy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he should not consider that opulence a cause for bondage. When a mature devotee is blessed with material opulence, he does not become affected adversely, for he knows how to employ material opulence in the service of the Lord. There are many such examples in the history of the world. There were kings like Prithu Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, Janaka, Dhruva, Vaivasvata Manu, and Maharaja Ikshvaku. All of these were great kings and were especially favored by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. If a devotee is not mature, the Supreme Lord will take away all his opulence. As the Supreme Personality of Godhead states, Yasyaham anugrahnami arishye tad dhanam shanaihi. My first mercy shown to my devotees to take away all his material opulence. Material opulence detrimental to devotional service is taken away by the Supreme Lord, whereas a person who is mature in devotional service is given all material facilities.
Thank you. So beautifully Prabhupada has explained. So who is eligible to get such a benediction? A person who is mature in devotional service is given all material facilities. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur was going in Rolls Royce. Person who is mature in devotional service is given material facilities. So who is, पात्रता क्या है, yardstick क्या है, qualification क्या है? क्वालिफिकेशन है मैच्योरिटी इन डिवोशनल सर्विस. और इस कॉन्सेप्ट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? श्रील रूप गोस्वामी ने इस कॉन्सेप्ट को क्या बोल के बताया है? फॉर ही नोज हाउ टू एम्प्लॉय मटेरियल ऑपुलेंस इन द सर्विस ऑफ द लॉर्ड. युक्त वैराग्य. युक्त वैराग्य. युक्त वैराग्य. तो जब आपके अंदर युक्त वैराग्य आ जाता है, तब आपके ऊपर ऑपुलेंस की, वैभव की वर्षा हो जाती है. कल प्रभु जी ने बताया, कितना सुंदर, पूरा क्लास में यही बताया कल, कि भक्त को ऐसा नहीं है कि दरिद्रता देखनी पड़ती है. अगर भक्त वैभव को हैंडल कर सकता है तो भगवान उसको देते हैं. मैं आपको एक लाइव एग्जांपल बताता हूँ. प्रभु जी जिनका मैं उदाहरण दे रहा था कि जिन्होंने अपनी कंपनी के CEO पोजीशन से रिजाइन किया, अब बाकी पार्टनर्स उनके पास आते हैं, बोलते हैं अगर किसी को कंपनी छोड़नी है तो आपको नहीं, उसको छोड़नी है जिसने गलत किया, जिसने दूसरी कंपनी चालू करी और कहा मेरे बीवी के नाम पे कंपनी है. तो ये प्रभु जी कहते हैं अभी रुको रुको, मैं थोड़े दिन यात्रा पे होके आता हूँ, फिर आपको जवाब दूंगा. तो यही चर्चा हुई कि क्योंकि उन्होंने मन से चीज़ों को छोड़ दिया, नहीं चाहिए पैसा, नहीं चाहिए कंपनी में पोजीशन, अब भगवान दे रहे हैं, because he can handle that opulence. आप देखेंगे अपने जीवन में भी, आप सबको कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी थोड़ी मात्रा में एहसास होगा, जब आप जिस चीज़ को छोड़ देते हैं. अगर आप हाई पैसा करेंगे, पैसा नहीं आएगा, पर जब आप उससे छोड़ देंगे तब आपके पास आना शुरू होता है, क्योंकि अब आप उसको हैंडल कर सकते हैं. मैच्योरिटी इज देयर to apply it in the service of the Lord. कल प्रभु ने बताया, प्रभुपाद की गद्दी के नीचे किसी ने बंडल रख दिया और उन्होंने वो लेके ब्रह्मचारी को दे दिया कि जाओ इसको भगवान की सेवा में लगाओ। तो कोई व्यक्ति पूछता है, प्रभुपाद आपको पैसे से अटैचमेंट है? तो प्रभुपाद कहता है, कौतो आचे तुम्हारे काचे, तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा है दे दो। Not for his own enjoyment, but for the service of the Lord. Somebody asked, if I give you gold, Prabhupada, will you accept? Why will I not accept? I will put it in the service of the Lord. So prachetas are given this opulence not for their sense enjoyment, so that Prabhupada is explaining they can continue their devotional service and put all their opulence in the service of the Lord. And those who cannot, if a devotee is not mature, हरिष्ये तद धनम सनय, हरि हर लेंगे, ले लेंगे, ले लेंगे, ले लेंगे, क्या आपका सारा धन ले लेंगे। तो अभी हम लोग को लग रहा है हम लोग तो मैच्योर नहीं है, अब हरि सारा धन ले लेंगे, लग रहा है ना डर। कल की क्लास में मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, तो प्रभु जी बता रहे थे मटीरियल ऑपुलेंस मिलेगा, मेरे को लगा चलो आराम है थोड़ा जीवन में अंदर थोड़ा कंफर्ट आ रहा था ना। अभी भगवान अभी कह रहे हैं इफ अ डिवोटी इज नॉट मैच्योर कृष्णा विल टेक अवे एवरीथिंग। अब डर लग रहा है, पर डरने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। क्यों? क्योंकि लिखा है इफ अ डिवोटी इज नॉट मैच्योर, वी आर नॉट डिवोटीज। हम भक्त थोड़ी हुए हैं। भक्त अगर मैच्योर नहीं है तो उसका छीन लेंगे। इसीलिए प्रभुपाद गिव्स हिज पर्सनल एग्जाम्पल। कल एक वीडियो देखा, प्रभुपाद कहते हैं in one of the lectures he's saying that when he got attached to the activities of Gaudiya Matha and he was liking all they were doing, and at the same time his business was not doing well, so he's saying that was the mercy of the Lord. And he was discussing that with Sridhar Swami, that is happening to me, is it because of the special mercy of the Lord? Sridhar Swami said, yes, this is because of the special mercy of the Lord. And this is the shloka, यश्याहम अनुग्रहणामि हरिष्ये तद धनम सनय। इट्स अ बेनेडिक्शन, ये आशीर्वाद है भगवान का कि आपके सारे पैसे भगवान ले लेते हैं, पर उसके लेंगे जो भक्त है और अटैच्ड है। हम तो भक्त नहीं है, तो हमारे नहीं लेंगे, आपको चिंता करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। क्योंकि अगर आपके ले लेंगे या मेरे ले लेंगे या किसी और के ले लेंगे तो हम भक्ति छोड़ के भाग जाएंगे, हम और ज़्यादा आश्रित नहीं होंगे। भगवान का पर्पस क्या है लेने का, कि जिससे आप पूरी तरीके से भगवान पे डिपेंडेंट हो। पर अगर उल्टा काम हो जाए, जैसे वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 जब हुआ तो लोग चर्च जाना बंद कर दिए। क्यों? बोलते हैं अरे हम चर्च में जाके बोलते हैं भगवान की वजह डेली ब्रेड, और यहाँ पे देखो सारे लोग मर के खाने को भी कुछ नहीं है। तो नास्तिक बन गए लोग, क्योंकि वो भगवान से ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे थे। अभी हम ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं कर रहे हैं वास्तव में भगवान के साथ। वी आर नॉट इनटू एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ इवन 1% प्योर डिवोशनल सर्विस। So इसीलिए if Krishna takes away things from us, we will become Nastic. So don't worry, he will not take. So the persons who are not mature, what will happen? यश्याहम अनुग्रहणामि, उनके ऊपर अनुग्रह मतलब स्पेशल मर्सी होगी। हरिष्ये, सब कुछ हर लिया जाएगा। तद धनम सनय, धीरे 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 आपको सब ले लिया जाएगा। पर फिर क्या होगा? When you can handle, when you become mature, then what will happen? Then Krishna will give opulence. So now this is clear why prachetas are not materially attached, and that why they were given opulence. Now one more question that comes, why the prachetas were not asked to go to Vaikuntha immediately? They were pure devotees of the Lord. They had no desires, है ना? Like Dhruv Maharaj had the desire that I want to rule. So भगवान ने उनकी इच्छा पूरी करी। प्रचेतस को तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था। तो why did they not go to Vaikuntha immediately? What is your answer?
प्रभु जी, प्राचीनगरी क्या बोले था, जाके तपस करो और क्या पूछा था?
Because Prabhuji, in Vaikuntha there are already many pure devotees, but in this material world there are less of them. So at least by ruling in the material world, if the other non-devotees are getting converted into devotees, then they would also get a chance to go back to God back, no?
Very nice. So Prabhuji is saying this is a service the Prachetas have to render to the Lord because their conduct is a very nice conduct, pure devotee, and looking at them, seeing them, what will happen? Others will also become devotees. Hai na? Yat yat atarichi tesa tattat ev tarojana. Okay, very good.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. So one point you have already clarified, like
Yes.
they have got that because of the opulence. I mean, they have to engage that in devotional service. So
Yes.
Lord want to show that the devotional service is not having any designations. It is free from all designations. And he want to prove through his pure devotees, like any place, any situation, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Stane Stita Shaktigatam.
Very
So
nice. Yes. So
one
Mataji
can do the
saying,
devotional service.
yeah, because now with such opulence, they will become examples before the world that they are applying their opulence in the service of the Lord. Very good. Okay. Yes, Meenal Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Yes, Vipin Bilas Prabhuji rightly told. I just had to mention that only. And one more realization I had, as in our personal life, our children, when among the two, one is more wise, we feel like giving everything to them. It's just like that. A person who is seeing that Lord is also ready to give everything. And one more thing, like Prahlad Maharaj was not, he just wanted, he was asking, the Lord was asking here, what you want. Here there, okay, you wanted giving. Lord is giving here, but Prahlad Maharaj is being asked what you want. And so is we will ask our mature child what you want. So we know that what he wants is this only. So like that, we can just.
No, Lord is asking Prachetas also what you want. Prachetas did not answer. Lord asked Dhruv Maharaj also what you want. Dhruv Maharaj said, I don't want anything. Answer is practically the same. So the question is why they were not asked to go to Vaikuntha immediately. So few answers we have got. Maybe few will listen and then we'll discuss. So Preeti Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes.
Prachetas were very obedient to their fathers, and also they were highly cordial among their brothers. If any job given by the Lord to them will be highly obliged, and even God was very pleased to see that they are following the orders of their father so sincerely. So he is the Supreme Father. He is now giving the order to do the job.
Because they were obedient to their fathers. So that is the reason they were not asked to go to Vaikuntha?
They had some job to do here, Prabhuji. That's why.
They had some job to do. Very nice. They had some job to do. Thank you, Mataji. We'll just hear Dipti Mataji and then we'll close the discussion. Dipti Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandat Pranam. Prabhuji, whatever is mentioned in addition to this, Prabhuji, they had to set an example as a Raj Rishi. So that was one of the most important things.
Understood. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Now see, you have already answered. Now we'll have to just structure our thoughts. So Prachetas could have been asked to go to Vaikuntha directly, but they were not asked. Why? Number one, they were already liberated. जिसको भगवान का दर्शन हो गया है वो वैकुंठ में रहे चाहे नरक में रहे कोई फर्क पड़ता है क्या? वो ऑलरेडी मुक्त है. इट डजेंट मैटर डिवोटीज का क्या रहता है. I also don't want to go to Vaikuntha. I also don't want to go to Goloka. I just want to serve you. This is devotee. And Prachetas are pure devotees. And Lord Vishnu wants them to stay back. So they're saying, okay, we'll stay back. Because it really doesn't matter whether they are in Vaikuntha, whether they are on earth, or whether they're in any other planets. And more importantly, they had some job to do. They had some job to do. Because Vishnu himself is saying, कि अब इस स्त्री से लड़की से शादी करो. किसकी बच्ची थी वो स्त्री जिससे उनको शादी करना है? उसके माँ बाप का क्या नाम है? कनुडू और माँ का नाम रामलोचा. सो उनकी बेटी से शादी करना है और शादी करके किसको पैदा करना है? विश्रुत को. और फिर उसके आगे विश्रुत के बेटे और पोतों से तीनों वर्ल्ड को, तीनों लोगों को भरना है. तो ये कैसे पूरा होगा जब तक वो यहाँ नहीं रहेंगे? सो दे हैड अ जॉब टू डू. And they have to give example as an ideal grasta, as I already said, that how an ideal grasta should be. They were to set examples. So a pure devotee can live in the world, they can enjoy as per dharma and yet remain unattached. This is what the Prachetas will now show to the world. Because bhakti does not require immediate renunciation. It requires steady remembrance. Wherever the Lord places you, you are happy. There are so many examples in the Shastras. So now just one more point we'll finish, because it's already 9 o'clock. That you see the Prachetas, so much favored they are. First, Lord Shiva gave them darshan, instructed them. Then Lord Vishnu appeared face to face. Now going ahead, we'll also see Narad Muni also appears before them. So what is so special about the Prachetas? Why Prachetas are so much favored? First Shivji instructing, then Lord appearing before them, and then Narad Muni will also appear. What is the reason that they are so much favored? What is so special about Prachetas?
Because all of them, they think that they would not get adulterated by any contamination. They were sure of that because they were already the pure devotees earlier.
No. Question is different, Prabhuji. Question is, what is so special about Prachetas that first Shivji instructs them, then Vishnu appears face to face, and now Narad Muni will also appear before them? What is so special about them?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Good society बनाने के लिए, okay? Yes.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. They were self.
No, because Prabhuji, one thing is
Mature
also
devotee,
there.
okay.
They were also obedient of their father. So I think they would also remain obedient to all these people and they would follow the instructions strictly.
They were obedient to their father. That is one quality which makes them special. Very good. What else?
They were selfless, Prabhuji, selfless. They didn't have anything for their own. They always in the service attitude for more.
Always in service attitude, okay.
They were united among themselves.
They were?
United among themselves. United.
Very nice. Thank you. They were united among themselves. Now see, we need not answer it. Vishnu himself has answered this question. What is so special about them? Let's read. We already read it and few of you have already answered. My dear, the Supreme Personality says, my dear sons of the King, I am very much pleased. See, if Krishna is pleased, what is special? By the friendly relationships among you. So the special thing about them is, they have a friendly relationships among themselves, mutual understanding, mutual cooperation. Mutual cooperation for what? For sense enjoyment? देखिए अभी ये होता है ना, प्रभु जी कह रहे थे, you scratch my back, I scratch your back, है ना? मैं कुछ करूँगा, आप चुप रहो, आप कुछ करोगे, मैं चुप रहूँगा. This is also cooperation. But Krishna will not be pleased by this cooperation. He will be pleased by one occupation you are engaged in, devotional service. Very, very important lesson for us. Very important lesson for us. The point that has pleased Krishna about the Prachetas, which made them so special that everyone wants to appear before them, is their mutual friendly relationship among themselves in execution of devotional service. So what is the lesson for us? If you also want, or we also want, pure devotees to guide us, if we also want to see Krishna face to face, if you also want to get benediction without asking benediction, the key is friendly relationships with devotees in execution of devotional service. Then Krishna will be pleased. There should be one dhya, one goal, devotional service, and in executing it, you should have a friendly relationship with the devotees. Cooperation is the key to get benediction from the Lord.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. In short, we have to be very careful. We should not do any offense while doing service. So if you see that, and if you are careful and fearful, then there will be no any issue.
See,
Only
there's a
Yeah.
small difference between cooperation and offense. I don't like Vipin Vilas Prabhu. We have been given a service together, but I don't like him, so I don't go with him. He does the service. I have not done an offense because I did not go and fight with him, but I did not cooperate with him. Offense means you ignore. Cooperate means in spite of not liking him, you still with him execute devotional service. So एक है टॉलरेंस और एक है कोऑपरेशन. ऑफेंस से बच सकते हैं टॉलरेट करके, बात नहीं करके, इग्नोर करके, पर कोऑपरेशन के लिए आपको टॉलरेंस के ऊपर उठना पड़ेगा और ना चाहते हुए भी, ना पसंद होते हुए भी उसके साथ मिलके भक्तिमय सेवा करनी पड़ेगी. So cooperation is at a higher platform.
So true.
This way we can attract the attention of all pure devotees of the Lord, and also that attention of the Lord himself. And the second thing, first lesson, cooperate amongst yourselves in execution of devotional service, and second is accept within your heart with pleasure the orders of your father. ये दो कारण से भगवान खुश हुए थे. एक, उन्होंने आपस में कोऑपरेशन किया. दूसरा, अपने पिताजी की आदेशों का पालन किया अपने हृदय में प्रसन्नता के साथ. तो एक प्रश्न उठता है, आजकल के पिता क्या कहते हैं बच्चों को? अरे जाओ बेटा, थोड़ी मौज मस्ती करो, सैर सपाटा करो, दोस्तों के साथ जाओ कुछ. तो ये पिताजी के ऑर्डर को मानने से क्या भगवान खुश हो जाएंगे?
नहीं प्रभु.
क्यों? यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ना, ऑर्डर्स ऑफ योर फादर हैव टू बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. सो मेरे पिताजी ने ऑर्डर किया है, क्या घर में बैठा रहता है, जा थोड़ा दोस्तों के साथ जा, नाइट क्लब जा, मस्ती कर, एंजॉय कर. यही तो उम्र है एंजॉय करने की. आजकल के पिता ऐसा कहते हैं. तो क्या वो करना?
It should be aligned with Guru Sadhu Shastra instruction, Prabhuji.
The order differs, Prabhuji. One order says and teaches us the devotional service. The other order teaches us the material contamination.
Thank you. Order of the father should be aligned to the service of the Lord, not otherwise. तो इसको गलत इंटरप्रेट मत करिए कि मेरे पिताजी ने मेरे को कहा है, ब्रह्मचारी हूं मैं, पिताजी की अंतिम इच्छा थी बेटा शादी कर ले. Not aligned to the service of the Lord. People can give quotation. They can say कि भगवान ने कहा है कि अपने पिता की बात मानने से मैं खुश होऊंगा. तो मैं ब्रह्मचारी था, पिता ने कहा शादी कर ले तो मैं कर रहा हूँ शादी. भगवान इससे खुश नहीं होंगे. जो आपके पिता का आदेश भगवान की भक्ति के लिए है, अनुकूल है, उसको मानना चाहिए, तो भगवान प्रसन्न हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? तो today's discussion will end here, and key takeaway is cooperation amongst yourself in execution of devotional service, and always try to follow the orders of your elders. See, sometimes what happens, suppose as a young boy you joined the movement when you were 17, 18, 19, and you are, let's say, in the movement for 10 years, and somebody who is at the age of 35, 40, 45 joins the movement later and is in the service for only 4-5 years. The tendency of those young boys is to disrespect this person because they think we have joined the movement earlier and they have joined the movement later. I am a senior devotee in spite of being 10 years, 15 years, 20 years younger to them. ऐसा बहुत होता है ना? सपोज कोई नौजवान लड़का ज्वाइन कर लेता है 18-19 साल के, अभी 10-15 साल से सेवा में है, और कोई बूढ़ा 40-45 साल का व्यक्ति ज्वाइन करता है जो 4-5 साल से सेवा कर रहा है. वो जो यंग व्यक्ति है ना, वो उसको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता है, क्योंकि बोलते हैं मैं 15 साल से भगवान की सेवा में, तो 5 साल आया, मैं सीनियर हूँ. अरे ठीक है, भक्ति में आप सीनियर हैं कि नहीं है वो कृष्ण डिसाइड करेंगे. उम्र में तो आपसे सीनियर है ना. आप देखिए भौतिक जगत में भी हम अपने सीनियर को रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. 1 साल भी अगर कोई सीनियर होता है स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, तो बोलते हैं सीनियर्स. 1 दिन भी अगर आपसे बड़ा है तो आपका सीनियर है. तो भक्ति में कोई अगर आपसे 10-15 साल बड़ा है उम्र में, ठीक है, भक्ति उसने देरी से ज्वाइन करी, तो क्यों हम रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते हैं उसकी? हम सोचते हैं हम सीनियर डिवोटी हैं. ये ऑफेंस है. दिस इज एन ऑफेंस. वी शुड ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट एल्डर्स, एंड एल्डर्स आर ऑफ 2 टाइप्स, एल्डर इन डिवोशन एंड एल्डर इन एज. एल्डर इन डिवोशन का मतलब, अगर आपकी उम्र ज़्यादा है और आपसे कम उम्र का व्यक्ति अगर अच्छा भक्त है, उसको आपको रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए, है ना? देखिए सुखदेव गोस्वामी कितने यंग हैं, पर सब उनकी रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं, है ना? बूढ़े बूढ़े साधु संत उनकी रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं. एल्डर इन डिवोशन. और अगर आपसे उम्र में कोई बड़ा है तो उसको इरिस्पेक्टिव उसकी भक्ति किस लेवल पे, यू शुड रिस्पेक्ट, बिकॉज वो आपसे उम्र में ज़्यादा है. दिस इज नॉर्मल एटिकेट्स, है ना? इसके लिए आपको ये नहीं सोचना है नहीं मैं तो 10 साल से हूँ, मैंने मंदिर पहले ज्वाइन किया है, ये तो अभी जुम्मा नया आया है ना. एटलीस्ट बाबा आपकी उम्र में तो आपसे बड़ा है ना, आपके चाचा जी, आपके पिताजी का उम्र है, आप रिस्पेक्ट करिए. एंड दिस इज व्हाट इट हैज बीन टॉट हियर, दैट यू शुड रेस्पेक्ट योर एल्डर्स. एंड एल्डर्स मीन्स एल्डर इन डिवोशन एंड एल्डर इन एज. So these 2 key points we take today after the discussion, and try to slowly imbibe in our hearts, so that we can try to become some small significant service we can do in the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada. Okay, thank you very much. If anybody has any question or any comments, please feel free. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, today's session was more on the quiz kind of thing.
Yes. See, Prabhuji, I do not have much
Prabhuji,
content.
just one point, Prabhu.
Yes.
Absolutely aligned to what you just concluded, that we should respect elders, be it in age or be it in devotional service. Just to add one more point, we as Vaishnavas, irrespective of the age, whether it is youngster or elder, I think that kind of a respect should go. That's the basic ingredient of a Vaishnava or a human being.
Absolutely. Yes, Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhuji. Yes,
Hare
Prasiddha.
Krishna.
Prasiddha Bhushan Prabhu, you want to say anything?
Prabhuji, I just want to thank you for the lecture you gave today. It was really interesting, Prabhuji. I don't know what to say. It's like I am listening the Bhagavatam for a few days right now. It's so good actually.
We cannot understand what you're saying. If somebody is understanding, they can repeat kindly.
Prabhuji, am I audible?
You're audible, but anyways, try again.
Prabhuji, from few days I'm attending the Bhagavatam class. It has been so good that I'm. No, it's not audible.
Bhagavatam class has been so good, he's telling. Hare
Okay.
Krishna, he's been telling. Bhagavatam class, he's been enjoying. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Keep on joining. See, we have the privilege of having daily hearing from Mahamanishta Prabhu. Hai na? He's such a senior devotee, 30 years into devotional service, and his realizations, if we hear, we'll be able to benefit immediately. Yeah? So consistency is the key. Today we said, no, consistent. Bhakti is about consistency. Consistency is the key. Yes, don't
And,
get down from the aeroplane. Yeah.
And
Thank you,
Prabhuji, recently come to ISKCON Mangalore, and I met you as well, Prabhuji.
Oh, you came, Prabhu. Maybe you can switch on your video. We can identify.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Prasiddha Bhushan Prabhu. Oh, Hare Krishna. ठीक है, ठीक है. आपका नाम इतना heavy है, पर आपकी उम्र तो बहुत कम है ना, इसीलिए आपको पहचान नहीं पाया. प्रसिद्ध भूषण प्रभु. जय जय जय. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yes,
Nothing, Prabhuji, like a very wonderful class. Actually, you do so much nice mantana. Like it makes us to think. Otherwise, we'll hear and we will forget. But when we do like this discussion, that will remain in our mind for some
Mataji,
time.
where are you from? Which city? Sarita Mataji, which city you are from?
Bangalore, Prabhuji. Bangalore.
Okay, very nice. You really are putting brains in the class, so your answers are very smart. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yeah, very, very impressive, Prabhuji. Even you want to leave everything, work, and just sit down and listen to you, Prabhuji. It's so impressive class. Thank you, Prabhuji, for involving us in the class.
Thank you. After this Srirangam Yatra, I think Prabhuji wants to plan August Mangalore Yatra, Balram Jayanti to Janmashtami. So all of you plan. See, the way we can thank Namanishta Prabhu and his team for whatever wonderful things they have done is by coming physically and thanking him. Yeah. So it's, you see, already March, April, May, June, July, August, 6 months notice you're getting. Plan your leaves, plan your travels, get your air tickets ready, and try to see what has manifested. You know, you have all contributed under his leadership. So come, and that is the way to thank him, isn't it? So he's created a revolution in online preaching. In fact, Guru Maharaj, His Holiness Jayapataka Maharaj, is also asking reports from him that we want to do what you have done. Please send us in details what you have done. So let's take this opportunity once a year, try to come to Mangalore, and we thank him for what he has done, what changes he's brought to our lives. Yeah? Please plan to come. Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay,
Prabhuji.
Thank you. We'll hear Dipeshwari Mataji, then we'll end the class. Dipeshwari Mataji.
Thank you, Prabhu.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु, एक सवाल है, क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ माताजी
हरे कृष्ण. हाँ प्रभु, मुझे ये भक्ति जो है ना, नाम अपराध और नामाभास, उन दोनों के बीच में ये जो है ना डिफरेंस, वो जानना है. क्योंकि हर बार यही होता है कि नाम अपराध तो हम अटेंटिवली नाम नहीं लेंगे, नाम जब अच्छे से नहीं करेंगे तो वो नाम अपराध में कंसाइडर होगा. पर नामाभास तो उसमें तो है ही नहीं कि चलो हम नाम लेते हैं. ऐसे ही अजामिल ने कह दिया कि नारायण, और वो नाम अपराध नामाभास कंसाइडर हो गया. तो वो कैसे हम समझे प्रभु?
तो हम क्या करेंगे, कल की क्लास में ना प्रश्न नामिष्ट प्रभु जी से पूछेंगे, उनको बोलना अच्छा है, वो अपने रियलाइजेशन से बताएंगे, क्योंकि अभी जो खुद ही नाम अपराध स्टेज में वो क्या बताएगा आपको। तो नाम अपराध, नाम आभास और उसके ऊपर के लेवल्स में प्रभु जी से हम प्रश्न पूछेंगे, प्रभु जी से उत्तर लेंगे। ठीक है माता जी, कल तक इंतजार करिए।
ठीक है प्रभु, थैंक यू।
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Hare Krishna
Yes,
Prabhu
Sravani
ji.
Ganguly Mata ji.
Yes, Prabhu ji. Thank you so much for such a wonderful class, and it has
Thank you,
taught
Mataji,
us.
to you. Yesterday you contributed for our Bhagavad Gita
No
College
problem.
Arpit Seva.
Yeah. Hare Krishna Prabhu ji.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna. And it taught us
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Sindhu Patitanam
Pavnebhyo Vaishnavyo Namo Namo.
अनंत
Hare
कोटि
Krishna
वैष्णव वृंद की जय, नामाचार्य श्री दास
Thank you so much.
श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, ग्रंथ राज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय। हरे कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna Prabhu ji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu ji. Thank you Prabhu ji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Prabhu ji. Thank you.
दर्शन माता जी बुला लो।
Thank you, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhu ji,
Hare
Dandavat
Krishna.
Pranam.
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna. Hare Ram. Hare Ram. Hare Ram. Hare Ram.
Rama Rama,
Hare Hare. Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama. Hare Rama.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare
Krishna
Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Prabhu ji. Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna